So in this one, we're going to do a very simple deleting of a post. It's going to be unbelievably simple. It's going to be very, very similar to update and edit, except instead of updating or editing it, we're just going to delete it. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the post update stuff, as well as the ID. And then finally, after we're done with it, we're going to return a redirect. I'm going to copy the messages and the redirect down here. And we'll say successfully deleted. And we're going to want to return to a different URL. So let's open up our URLs. We want to return to the list URL. So I'm going to give it a name of list. And I'm going to import another shortcut called redirect. And redirect takes place of all of this, and all we do here is redirect, and it's going to be post list. And then we'll do instance.deleted, or excuse me, not .delete, and that will delete the instance from the database, and it'll successfully delete it. And then in our URL, we already have this delete, so I'm just going to go ahead and add the ID in front of it. And there we go. So now we have this deleting ability. Go back into our project. Let's go into a post, and I'm just going to hit delete, and it deleted it. So what we didn't see was a message showing up that is deleted, and that has to do with how our templates are. Our templates are not great right now. Like, each template has its own HTML, and Django's a lot smarter than that. So we can do a lot of things to improve on how this is done. So basically right now, each page has, we look at the index page, we look at post detail and post form. Each page is rendered as a standard HTML document. Now, this is true. You have to do this anyway, but like I said, Django has a smarter way to do this, and that's called template inheritance. Something we'll do in the next one.